How to change account name on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Monopoly Go app on your device. Make sure that your app is fully up to date. If it's not up to date, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to update your app. Once you have done that, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now you want to tap on your profile icon and this box is going to open up. Now from here, you obviously have the option to select your avatar. However, if you want to change your account name, then simply tap on this pencil icon to edit your name. And here you can change your name. So type in a new name. Once you have done that, tap on the submit button. Here it says you can change your name 3 times, so tap on submit for confirmation. Once you have done that, here you can see your account name has been changed. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.